To blur picture, as you can see here, simply go to the tools in the left pane. Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I want to show you how to blur background in Photoshop. Simply, as you can see here, we have this picture in the layer 1, and I want to blur the background of this picture. Simply go to the left pane and select quick selection tools. Here, quick selection tool, or by hotkey W. Now let's select the background. As you can see, okay, it's so easy. Now let's adjust the selection. Click Alt, okay, okay, it's so easy. Adjust the selection for all face, okay, here Alt, now it's fine. Okay, now go above filter, blur, Gaussian blur. That's it guys. Here put the radius. When you increase the number, the blur increase, as you can see. Okay, I will put 14, click enter, okay, then deselect. As you can see, now we have a blurred picture. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.